Hello, dear kids. Nice to see you all here. The show has already started, and Lula is once again not here. Where is his sweet tooth this time? What do you think about calling him on the phone? We all dial together. His phone numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, let's count to 5 really loud together. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hello, Reno. This is Lulai the Master Chef. Who is speaking?
Hello, this is Mimi and the children. Master Chef, where are you?
I'm in the kitchen on the attic, cooking our hot Tex Flex.
Oh, Lulai. And once again, you're only thinking about food. How much longer do you need? Our show has already started.
Ready in a moment. All that's missing is a little oil. So perfect. And now, just so hot in my Tex-Mex. So a little fire.
No, Lulai, no fire.
Help. There's a fire. I put it out with water.
No! No water!
Help, Mimi! Come up here fast! You have to help me! Everything is on fire!
I'm coming to you, don't panic! Lulai, you should never extinguish a grease fire with water because it will explode!
I'm sorry, Minnie, I didn't know that. I hope my food is fine. Delicious, nice and fiery.
Oh, Lulai, then enjoy your meal. And while you're eating, I'll tell you and the kids a little story with Marshall from the Paw Patrol and Fireman Sam about not playing with fire.
It was a hot summer's day, and Emma and Frank were on a field having a picnic.
Hey, Emma, I have a great idea. Let's make a campfire, then we can grill our burgers.
Better not, Frank. Fireman Sam said not to make a fire outside today because it's much too hot and the grass is very dry and can easily catch fire.
Oh, don't be like that. Fireman Sam isn't here, and I'm sure nobody will find out.
No, I'd rather not. I don't want us to get into trouble.
Just say you're too chicken, so I'm not afraid.
I'm not a chicken. I'll show you. Now I'll light a fire and then you take back what you said. Hello, is this the fire department? Yes, we need help quickly. We're out in the field and everything is on fire. Please come quickly.
That was a close call. I hope you learned something from the story. Never play with fire. Even if it seems exciting or interesting, fire can quickly get out of control and cause a lot of damage. Say no if someone tries to convince you to do it. Matches, lighters, and candles are not toys and should never be in children's hands. If you ever notice a fire, don't try to put it out yourself. Even if you think it's just a small fire, it can quickly become larger and more dangerous. Run away immediately and get an adult to help. And you should never cook in the kitchen alone. Always have an adult with you.
Yes, I do understand. I will pay more attention and will only cook when you are there. What do I do with the remaining cooking oil? The bottle is still half full?
I have a great idea for that. Let's make a beautiful lava lamp together. And the best thing about it is it works completely without fire. All we need for our great lava lamp is cooking oil, water, food coloring, and fizzy tablets or denture cleansing tablets. Dissolve the food coloring in the water. Then pour the colored water into a bowl and pour the oil on top. Now you can throw in the fizzy tablets. The whole thing looks even cooler if you turn off the light and put a colored LED light behind it. Lulai, you do know that we have stairs, right?
What? We have a staircase? Since when? Where is it?
We've always had it. And it's right behind you.
No way. That's mega cool. I'll have to try it right away. Mimi, the stairs go all the way to the top.
Yes, I know. Now get back down. We still have to present a cartoon.
Watch out, I'm coming.
Lulai, now that you're knowing that we have staircases, why don't you just use it?
Haha, nice try, Mimi. You almost got me. The stairs go up and not down.
Oh, Lulai, I have no words for that. Okay, then the cartoon is just right for you because it's about above and below.
Yeehaw, I'm really excited. Here we go.
Let's learn about above and below. Elephant above. Tiger below. above. Lion below. Ostrich above. Owl below. Zebra above. Deer below. Giraffe above. Cheetah below. Snake above. Sheep below. Cow above. Hippo below.